Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to access Wix Automations. This is a powerful feature that lets you streamline your workflow by setting up automatic tasks for your website, like sending emails, managing customer interactions, and keeping your business running smoothly without constant manual effort. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. To begin, open your browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all aspects of your website. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for the one labeled Automations and click on it. This section is where all your automation magic happens, allowing you to create and manage workflows that save you time and effort. Once you're in the automation section, you'll be able to preview a complete list of all the automations you've created so far. These will be displayed with their current status, whether they're in draft mode or actively running. This overview makes it easy to keep track of what's working and what still needs attention. To explore new automation options or create one from scratch, simply click on the plus Create Automation button. You'll find this button located in the upper right part of your screen. Clicking it opens up a world of possibilities for automating various tasks on your site. After clicking that button, a small window titled Create New Automation will pop up. This is where things get interesting. You'll see several categories, each containing pre-built automation templates designed for different purposes. These templates are already structured with the logic and triggers you need, so you don't have to start from zero. They just need your personal touch to make them truly yours, like customizing emails and newsletters to reflect your brand's voice and style. Browse through the categories and find one that matches what you're trying to accomplish. Once you've found a template that fits your needs, simply click on Setup. This action will redirect you to the workflow creation page, where you can see the entire automation laid out step by step. If you're using a template, you'll notice it already has preset parameters and conditions in place. Your job here is to adjust those parameters to suit your specific requirements. For example, you might want to change the email content, update the timing of when messages are sent, or tweak the conditions that trigger the automation. Take your time to customize everything so it aligns perfectly with your business goals and branding. Once you're satisfied with all the adjustments and customizations you've made, look toward the top right part of your screen. You'll see an Activate button. Click on it to turn your automation live. And that's it. You now have a custom working automation running on your Wix site, handling tasks automatically while you focus on growing your business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.